Hey guys, it's Matt from Worship-Based Tutorials. Today we're going to be looking at This Is Our Time by Planetshakers on synth bass. Alright guys, let's talk about how we're going to get the tone for this song. Let's start with the filter cutoff all the way open, just because it'll be a lot easier for us to hear what we're doing. And the other thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our multi-drive and turn it up all the way up. We're actually also going to be using an oscillator 1, a sub-oscillator, and oscillator 2. And they're going to be at around about the same volume, all of them. We're going to make sure the noise is all the way down. Oscillator 1 and 2 are both set to 16, and both of them are also set to a square wave. Let me show you one thing. What you want to do with this frequency knob, if you have the frequency right there in the middle, it's going to sound like this. What we want to do is we want to take the frequency and turn it up just a hair so that the two oscillators aren't actually oscillating at the exact same frequency. So we want the pitch to be just slightly different. And what that's going to do is have this interesting effect where you have, it sounds like there are beats between the notes, and it's almost as if it's out of tune. Check this out. Right there you can tell it starts to do that. So that's what we want there. We're not going to do anything with LFO, we're not going to do anything with pitch, and let's make sure our glide rate is all the way down. As far as your envelope amplifier, or your amplifier envelope, we're going to make sure the attack and decay and release are all at 0, and sustain is all the way up. What that's going to do is that means when we hit the note, it's going to play full volume, and when we let go, it's going to stop immediately. One thing that you'll notice is that there's a lot of pitch bending going on, particularly during the verses, and I'm going to demonstrate how I think that should be done here. So here's how the riff goes in the song. One thing you want to make sure you do is that you let go of the note before you're finished bending, so that your bend doesn't reach a note and then you let go of the key like this. Instead, what you want to do is make sure that you let go of the key before you finish bending like this. See, after I was finished with the note, I still had a little bit more left to give on the pitch wheel. Okay, that's about all I have to say about the tone. Let's go ahead and do the run through.